The Brecknell GP100 and GP250 USB all-purpose electronic bench scales offer a broad range of mailing, shipping, and general industrial weighing applications. Built with mobility in mind, the GP100 and GP250 USB scales are built with an attached handle, allowing them to easily be moved between locations. For ease of use, a weight hold feature freezes the reading on the display when a weight of 3 pounds or more is placed on the scale. This feature allows users to capture accurate weight readings, even when oversized or oddly shaped packages are placed on the weighing platform. The Brecknell GP100 and GP250 USB scales both allow for tearing. The tear function removes the weight of a container, assisting in obtaining the content's net weight. These scales have large LED displays, providing easy-to-read 1-inch high blue backlighted characters, an ideal solution even in low-light environments. Featuring a USB virtual communication port, the GP100 and GP250 USB scales can easily be configured to work with UPS and FedEx shipping software. Weight can be set to be measured in pounds or kilograms. The GP100 and GP250 USB scales are powered by an included 9-volt battery or an optional AC adapter. A low battery indicator helps with power management. The Brecknell GP100 and GP250 USB all-purpose electronic bench scales are ideal solutions for a broad range of mailing, shipping, and general industrial weighing applications.